Itinuturing ng mga Filipino-Americans na isang homecoming para sa isang anak ang pagdating ni Pangulo Aquino sa Boston sa Amerika.
Pinapurihan ng mga Pilipino roon ang patuloy na pagsusulong ng tuwid na daan ng Administrasyong Aquino laban sa korupsyon at anumang uri ng katiwalian.
Kabilang sa mga mahalagang agenda ng Pangulo doon ng talumpati sa Boston College at ang pulong sa mga estudyante ng Harvard University kaugnay ng ilang usapin. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita.
Dumating na si Pangulo Aquino sa Boston, Massachusetts para sa 5 araw na working visit sa Amerika. Lumapag ang PAL PR001 sa Boston Logan Airport pasado alas 8 ng gabi oras dito o pasado alas 8 ng umaga oras sa Pilipinas. Itinuturing na isang pagbabalik alaala ang pagbisita ng Pangulo sa Boston kung saan nanirahan ng kanyang pamilya sa loob ng 3 taon. Pero para sa mga Pilipino dito, ang pagdating ng Pangulo ay isang homecoming para sa isang anak.
Of the Filipino community here, those who arrived earlier here in New England, they remember the times when I think the father of the president was here and also the mother. I think they recall it very fondly, and I think for them it's like a homecoming of a son back to Boston. So I think they're really awaiting the president eagerly here.
The Filipino community is really looking forward to his visit here because we were looking forward when Cory Aquino was here, Benigno Aquino was here, the father, and we were close to them. I have friends and very close acquaintances and colleagues who are very close to the family. In fact, we used to go and pick them up in the airport.
Isa kasi sa highlights ng pagdalaw dito ng Pangulo ay ang pagsasalita sa Boston College, ang kolehiyong kumukuha ng Asian scholars bilang pagkilala sa natatanging kontribusyon ng mga magulang ng Pangulo, sina dating Senador Benigno Aquino Jr. at dating Pangulong Corazon Aquino.
You know, what is significant about this visit, aside from the personal part of it, is he'll be going to Boston College. You know, Boston College has designated its Asian scholarship in honor of Senator Benigno Aquino and President Corazon Aquino. So that's the scholarship that they have for Asian students. And I think the President will have an opportunity to meet some of the awardees there. And we have, I think, a Filipino-American who's one of the awardees.
Kilala ang Boston sa pagkakaroon ng pinakamagagaling na ospital sa Amerika. Nandito rin ang sikat na paaralan ng Harvard University. Kaya mahalaga ang policy speech ang gagawin ng Pangulo sa John F. Kennedy School of Government sa Harvard University. At para sa mga professional Filipinos dito, maipagmamalaki nila ang pagharap na ito ng Pangulo na kilala sa pagpapatupad ng tuwid na daan laban sa korupsyon at anumang uri ng katiwilaan sa Pilipinas. Para naman kay Bebs Rudin Sipin, Executive Director ng Eskwelahan Pilipino, may mga Pilipino na anya na gusto na rin tumira sa Pilipinas dahil sa mabuting pamamahala ng Aquino administration.
We heard it's doing a lot better. I mean, I've heard some Filipinos who don't even want to come live in the U.S. and that's surprising. Even if they have a chance to live here, they'd rather live in the Philippines. That's really amazing. Na they would like to just stay in the Philippines and not get a job here. That speaks for something that the president is doing really well. And the message, of course, is to help also the Filipinos here abroad, because there's this temporary protected status, the TPS, that the Filipino Americans are trying to have the U.S. pass for.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Boston.